Wow! Biruin nyo, napakamura, pero parang pang-restaurant yung lasa.
Last time, nag-grocery muna tayo worth 500 pesos tapos dinivide natin into 5 days kaya naging 100 pesos a day.
So, medyo madaya siya. This time talagang 100 pesos eksakto lang talaga yung pwede nating gastusin. Disclaimer lang guys, I'm not promoting any type of diet in this video. Ang aim lang natin is to challenge ourselves na pagkasyahin yung 100 pesos with as much healthy food choices as possible. If that sounds interesting to you, then, samahan nyo na ako dito sa What I Eat in a Day 100 Peso Budget Challenge Part 2.
Bili na natin dito sa grocery yung mga wala sa palengke tulad nitong mushrooms. Kuha tayo nito ng isang can. And kuha rin tayo ng parsley for added nutrients kasi hindi tayo sure kung meron ito sa palengke. Surprise! Ang laman ng eco bag na ito ay 100 pesos worth of healthy ingredients. Isa-isahin natin. 2 itlog galing sa tindahan, 14 pesos. Kangkong isang tali, napakamura, 10 pesos lang sa tindahan. Isang buong bawang, 8 pesos. 10 pisong kamote na kulay violet. Yung nabili natin kanina na mushroom sa grocery. At parsley, hindi lang siya pang garnish, kundi may health benefits din siya. At rice, isang cup na lang yung nagkasya sa budget natin, 15 pesos.
Good morning guys! It's already 1 PM at nagugutom na ako. Ngayon pala ako magbe-breakfast kasi kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng isang content kanina. So, ito na po ang ating ingredients for our breakfast. Ayan, we will have garlic. Siguro mga 2 piraso lang nito. We will also use mushrooms and kalahating rice kasi yung kalahati for lunch. Tapos, we'll also use 1 egg. Yan ang mga ingredients natin for breakfast. So, nahulaan mo na ba kung anong gagawin natin? Kung hindi pa, panoorin mo na lang to. Let's eat! May lasa siya, ha? Nakalimutan ko kasing isama to sa pagfa-fry ng egg, yung parsley. Pero okay din yung lasa kahit fresh. Masarap din. Binibigyan niya ng bright flavor itong dish. I love parsley. Mga 30 plus pesos lang to, pero so satisfying and masarap siya, may lasa. And that is for our breakfast. See you ulit mamayang lunchtime. Lunchtime na guys, at the main ingredient will be this kangkong. Dahil kailangan natin ng gulay everyday. At itong kangkong, sobrang sustansya niya, pero 10 pesos ko lang to nabili.
Eyes on the door, you've got 'em trained. I know what you're thinking, what's it gonna take? Have another deep breath, think before you say. Think before you say, think before you say. I'll play the fool, you sit and wait. Awkward conversation, when's it gonna change? How has your day been? What else can I say? What else can I say? How else can I say? You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said. Lie to cover up the feelings, let it end, it end, it end, it end. Why do we keep on keeping secrets? Why do we keep on keeping?
Ayan, okay na ang ating mga ingredients, at para maging mas masarap ang ating kangkong dish, gagamit tayo ng oyster sauce. By the way, hindi ito sponsored ha. Ito lang kasi yung oyster sauce na pinakamura na mabibili ng tingi-tingi. Tingnan nyo naman no, 5 pesos lang. Para naman magkalasa at magkaroon ng sauce ang ating dish. So, gagamit tayo nito.
Keep it secret. Keep it secret. Why do we see it in your eyes? I know the game, but I'll just flip my hair and walk the other way. I can take forever, teach you how to wait. Just a little taste, just a little taste. Won't you tell me something I wouldn't know? Make me wanna see you again before I go. I don't need a boyfriend to give me something close. Give me something close, give me something close. You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said. Lie to cover up the feelings, let it end, it end, it end, it end. Why do we keep on keeping?
Tingnan nyo naman. This is for our lunch. Mukhang masarap, na aamoy ko na. Sarap. Perfect combination yung mushroom at saka kangkong. Tapos nilagyan pa natin ng oyster sauce. Pwede natin ito lagyan ng 1 teaspoon ng sugar para mas maging malasa. Pero, kahit yung oyster sauce lang, panalo na siya. Ang sarap ng timpla niya. Kain tayo. Wow! Biruin nyo, napakamura, pero parang pang-restaurant yung lasa. Perfect dish para sa mga nagtitipid tulad ko. So, see you ulit mamayang hapunan. Abangan nyo yan kung ano. Masusurprise kayo dahil napaka-special ulit ng ating dinner. Bye!
Para sa protein natin ngayong dinner, gagamitin natin itong natitirang egg. Bala ko sana boiled egg, pero nag-crack siya kanina, kaya nilagay ko na lang siya dito sa lalagyan. Kaya alam niyo yung naisip ko, gagawa tayo ng poached egg.
Medyo nag-fail tayo sa poached egg natin. Better luck next time. Pero edible pa rin naman to. Kaya, let's eat. It's dinner time. Tikman nga natin yung ating poached egg na failed. Pero parang okay naman yung texture niya. Yun nga lang hindi perfect yung shape. Hindi niya na-hold yung shape. In fairness it has this creamy texture na akala natin failed, pero okay yung texture niya, guys. I'm so happy. At itong kangkong, bagay na bagay siya sa poached egg. I like this dish. Kagat naman tayo sa ating kamote. Ang tamis. Perfectly balanced ang ating dish tonight. Very healthy pa. Busin na nga natin itong ating kangkong. Tapos, focus naman tayo dito sa ating kamote. Favorite ko tong boiled kamote. Okay din sa akin yung fried kamote. Pero syempre mas healthy to. In fairness, lahat ng meals natin today nakakabusog. Kahit na lahat ng yon 100 pesos budget lang. Pasok na pasok sa ating budget. Kaya, I'm so happy kasi naging successful tayo sa ating healthy eating on a budget today. So, kung nagustuhan nyo tong What I Eat in a Day video with a twist, again, please like this video para makagawa ulit tayo ng susunod pa. Yun lang muna sa ngayon. Ubusin ko na muna to. Magpapaalam na ako. And as always, stay healthy.